The camera pans over a stunning metropolis skyline at dawn, where the soft hues of a rising sun cast a golden glow on the rooftops. The lens then transitions to an opulent showroom, where the most expensive Lamborghini model rests under a spotlight, its flawless paint job gleaming. The opening shot employs a dynamic sweep around the vehicle, capturing its sleek lines and aerodynamic form from multiple angles. Gentle but sophisticated background music elevates the car's allure, adding to the air of exclusivity. The video carefully transitions through various segments, each focusing on different aspects of the car's luxurious design. Ultra-realistic close-ups reveal intricate features like the meticulously crafted carbon fiber body panels, custom alloy wheels, and the iconic scissor doors slowly lifting to unveil an interior wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber accents. The camera lingers on the hand-stitched seats, the precision of the dashboard controls, and the state-of-the-art infotainment system, painting a picture of utmost craftsmanship. Next, the video captures the performance capabilities of the Lamborghini. The scene transitions to an open road where the car's powerful engine roars to life. Through high-speed tracking shots, the precision of the Lamborghini's acceleration, its smooth handling on winding roads, and the unparalleled speed are showcased. The car is captured hurtling down a scenic mountain pass, its engine purring harmoniously with a sophisticated soundtrack. Slow-motion shots heighten the drama of the car, taking sharp turns and cruising effortlessly, accentuating its performance prowess. Concluding the showcase, the camera returns to the luxurious showroom. The final shot is a slow pull away from the vehicle, the spotlight reflecting off its immaculate surface. The background soundtrack fades gently, leaving the viewer with a powerful impression of the Lamborghini's opulence and performance. The narrative ties together with a voiceover emphasizing the pinnacle of luxury and engineering prowess that the most expensive Lamborghini represents. Such a video would not only captivate car enthusiasts, but also convey the sheer extravagance and unmatched quality of this automotive masterpiece.